Ever had to redo manual matches just because new data came in? In this video, I'll introduce a new feature named Refresh Reconciliation. It lets you refresh your reconciliation report without losing any of your manual work. Here's a report I created earlier. You can see I've already done some manual matching, these rows with the M_ prefix. Now let's say new transactions came in, and I need to update this report. I'll go to my source table and paste the new rows at the bottom. Same for the target table. Important: always append your data. Don't delete or reorder existing rows. Now I'll go back to the report sheet. Go to the More tab and click Refresh Reconciliation. The system checks everything, same columns, same setup, and then runs the update. And here's the result. Notice this. All my manual matches are still here. I didn't have to redo anything. The new rows are automatically matched, and the original report is still untouched, so you always have a full audit trail. Use Refresh Reconciliation when you're adding new data and want to keep your manual work. Use Generate Report when you're starting fresh or changing your setup, like different columns. That's it. No more redoing manual matches. Try it out and let us know what you think.